Car model Chevrolet Cruze. First, we're unboxing the Chevy Cruze front strut assemblies. Here are the front strut assemblies on display, a pair with springs and top mounts. Next, moving on to the tools needed for this job. Chevy Cruze front strut removal and installation tools. A large torque wrench. A large impact wrench. A medium ratchet wrench. A 22mm wrench. A ball-peen hammer. A long 18mm socket. A long 19mm socket. A short 24mm socket. A T50 bit for strut disassembly. A 24mm strut socket. Remove the wheel center cap. Use the 19mm long socket to loosen the lug nuts. Lift the vehicle. Use the 19mm long socket together with the impact wrench. Remove the lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Remove the brake hose bracket and set it aside. Use the 18mm long socket to loosen the sway bar link nut. Remove the sway bar link. Use the 18mm long socket with the impact wrench to remove the strut to knuckle bolts. Use the ball-peen hammer to remove the strut to knuckle bolt. Tap the bolt out. Remove the bolt. Separate the strut from the knuckle. Open the hood. Set the hood prop. Remove the protective cap for the strut tower nut. For the removal of the strut tower nut, we need a special tool. Use the 24mm socket together with the T50 bit for removal. Remove the nut. Remove the top mount cap. Remove the strut. Front strut assembly display. Prepare to install the new strut. First, peel off the sticker. Remove the top nut. Remove the limiter cap. Begin installing the strut. Install the limiter cap. Install the top nut. Use the 24mm socket with the impact wrench to tighten the top nut. Use the 24mm socket with the torquey wrench to tighten the top nut. Torquey to 80 Newton meters. Prepare to install the knuckle and the strut. Insert the bolt. Install the brake hose bracket. Install the nut. Use the 18mm long socket with the impact wrench to tighten the strut to knuckle bolts. Use the 18mm long socket to tighten the strut to knuckle bolts. Torquey to 100 Newton meters. Install the sway bar link. install the nut. Use the 18mm long socket with the impact wrench to tighten the sway bar link nut. Use the 18mm socket with the torquey wrench to tighten the sway bar link nut, torquey to 70 Newton meters. Install the wheel, install the lug nut. Let's use the 19mm socket with the impact wrench to tighten the lug nuts. Install the strut tower nut cap. Prepare to close the hood. Remove the hood prop. Close the hood. Lower the vehicle. We'll use the 19mm socket with the torque wrench to tighten the lug nuts. Torquey to 140 Newton meters. Install the wheel center cap.